reputed journals, attending conferences. First, we ourselves attended conferences and these kind of sessions, and then we started collaborating with larger institutions around the world. I'm happy to share with you the resultant is that as of now at IIT Roorkee we have taught almost 4,000 students with innovation courses and entrepreneurship courses. We generated a cell in which is incubation and entrepreneurship development cell long back, which is doing exceptionally well now. It has its own CEO who is functioning, who's fully functional, and they have a huge infrastructure now. Then we initiated Design Innovation Center, which Dr. Rajat Agarwal would talk about later on when you meet with him. And then we developed a Department of Design. Definitely Government of India supported us in a project mode. And that Department of Design is fully functional now. Then we floated an innovation course on NPTEL also. And again, I'm happy to share with you that 35 to 40,000 students, they have already taken up that course. And it's on the rerun for 5th year now in a row. So that has started putting up fruits. On the other side, we started guiding PhDs. We started putting up ground level projects and programs. We initiated several projects in Himalayas, and we created specific products which are now being marketed, and lots of entrepreneurship has already been generated at the ground level in Uttaranchal specifically, and now we are moving towards other states as well. So those projects are doing well. One of the projects has which I and Professor Rajat Agarwal, along with Dr. Kapil Joshi, who is an IFS officer, and few of our colleagues from University of Petroleum and Energy Studies, Dehradun, we did that. So that project has been considered as a success story by Ministry of Environment and Forest, National Mission for Himalayan Studies. So there we created a new mode of energy, and we developed products also out of forest bioresidue by developing technology as well as by marketing the products. We developed complete value chain out of that, and that is a commercially successful project now. Another project which we are running in Uttarkashi is also related to entrepreneurship and innovation. And 3 projects we have just filed for, which are very large in nature, depending upon entrepreneurship and innovation perspective. So you see, while sharing these experiences, I mean to imply that we have followed the same journey. We can share that with you, and we can request you and suggest you that please try and develop a sphere of innovation and entrepreneurship around you. And one thing, last thing which I want to add here is that innovation and entrepreneurship to me has been related to implying ground level changes amongst the students, or focusing on traditional perspective, low cost technology development, traditional knowledge, and so on. There is a large project which Government of India has initiated recently, and they have formed a directorate on that, and we are part of it. We are supporting that endeavor. That is focusing on Indian knowledge systems. And there also, they are focusing on identifying traditional means of technology development, traditional knowledge base to develop entrepreneurship and innovation, to develop products, to develop processes, and so on. So if we look into our own knowledge system, we will find a huge resource to develop on, to train our students for that, who can make differences wherever they are. Because as of now, students feel that startup means going for some IT based kind of a thing or related kind of a thing, which is not there. We can focus on very small scale ventures which have larger fruits to bear. So that is largely all from my side. I thank you again for giving me this opportunity to be a part of this inaugural session. And I thank Dr. Tiwari and Dr. Dwivedi once again. Dr. Dwivedi has been very kind to me always. So thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Now, I would like to request Dr. Ashish Trivedi, sir, Manager of STEP HBTI, Kanpur, to present the vote of thanks to all the dignitaries.
The chief guest of the morning, Professor Vinay, the principal STEP HBTI, Kanpur, Dr. C.K. Tiwari, the coordinator of the event, Dr. Prabhat Dwivedi. I feel privileged to propose this vote of thanks on behalf of the STEP HBTI. I'm really thankful to our Vice Chancellor and Chairman STEP HBTI Society, Professor Samsir, to offer such a wonderful activity, such guidance. He is a person who believes in delivery. But my experience in last 5 months is that he is a very practical person. So he is a technocrat basically. So he all the time offers such things which really motivate us and motivate us to do such type of activities. I'm thankful to our coordinator, Professor Ram Naresh. He is not only a good academician, he is a wonderful administrator at the same time. Unfortunately, today both of our mentors and leaders are not present in this particular event because they had some prior appointments. But I'm really very thankful to both of them because they are the persons behind this particular. I'm thankful to our morning chief guest. As it's a formal function, I'm calling it's a chief guest, but otherwise Professor Vinay is always our mentor, our guide. Whenever I've interacted him, the one thing which I like very much about him, about Professor Vinay, I'm really a fan of. He never talked theory. He talked something which he really implemented. He really inspired us to do something which he has successfully implemented either at their project level or at the institute level. I'm really thankful to sir because it's not today morning we are talking about you. We generally have a common discussion with Prabhatji and Dr. Tiwari that somehow physically and sometimes virtually we are getting your guidance, and we are really thankful about not only honoring us for this, accepting this chief guest offer or this
Right.
but otherwise you really guide us. So thank you, sir, once again. You said very true that institute has to start their journey with establishment of these innovation cells and implementing in different functional areas of whatsoever we are running in the institute. So thank you, sir, once again. I'm thankful to Dr. C.K. Tiwari, Principal STEP HBTI, for all sort of supports he offered to conduct this particular FDP. I'm thankful to Dr. Prabhat Dwivedi for coordinating this event so nicely, making all his effort in a very short duration. He has taken all, arrangements for this particular. So thank you, Dr. Dwivedi. I'm thankful to participants and their willingness they have shown towards this institute and especially this particular FDP. So I'm thankful, and I hope that in next 5 days it's going to be very fruitful to them. Thank you all participants. I'm very much thankful to AICT, in fact, because they had really offered or given this opportunity to STEP HBTI to conduct this type of FDP. They are the real sponsors of this particular event. So I'm thankful to AICT members as well for offering such a wonderful activity here. I'm thankful to the team behind this organization. And last but not the least, I'm thankful to the media, which had already covered so many things of our institute, and definitely will cover this particular event in a huge way. Thank you all for connecting in this way. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. With this, we have reached towards the end of the inaugural function of the FDP. Now, I would like to request all the dignitaries present here to wait for the national anthem to get over, which will be followed by the technical sessions.
I request everybody to stand up, please.
Thank you all. Now, I would like to request Dr. Prabhat Dwivedi, sir, to kindly continue with the program.
Thank you, everybody, for being part of this inaugural session. Today, for the session 1 of the activity, we have Ken Misra, but I request you all to stay connected. He will start in 5 minutes. Before that, we will introduce about him. So now I would like to thank from my side Dr. Vinay Sharma for being part of this inaugural session as a chief guest, and to rest of other faculty members, participants for being part of this. Thank you so much. Thank you, Dr. Ashish Trivedi, for the proposing vote of thanks. Thanks a lot. In 5 minutes, we will start session 1.